Bor Kapatisi TV.
Together we achieve, together we can fly, reaching for the sky.
ICFA University, Meghalaya.
Manus nam daki lakbon ki bakwa penpenda ke MBBS Henry Kindiat e ki bapas ke admission kalapli ha Emmanuel Coaching Academy epi join menta pinyo e ki kot bat ki e-materials kin don ru ki mock test ban pen kraya pi na kabenda ka NEET.
Ka Northeastern Institute of Ayurveda and Homeopathy, Shlem, kelas dangi ka jingrakhi ya ka International Day of Yoga. Balong nadok hatway terik baca kabaan sempenkut hak arway terik ujeliu aja penriu. Hak jingkran bekilap tai kubor hak hat praterik ujeliu aja penriu. Kibor penyak ka Neiah kila pentim bah kini kisngi blalet no. Asdangi ka jingkilan met yoga hak Shlem ajing sumar hania. Panang ta la betengpat ban Pynsngewthuh ka Jingmyntoi jong ka yoga haki caka Nongjngohkai Pyrthei bapher ki badan hari lum khasi. Nang tade sahaki Shlem Pule kum haki school bat ki college bat haki Nongjngohkai.
Ka Neiah, the Northeastern Institute of Ayurveda and Homeopathy Shlem, kan pelong dengan jingrakhi ka International Day of Yoga acara penriu ya ka bagi layo akan pelong madu ka tarik hadu ka tarik ujun acara penriu. Labu kenang ya ni ka kum ka theme walaupun baik news name acara penriu yoga for healthy aging. Kat kum kan ka theme la pelong iki program ki prepare online but offline yoga session ke awareness program but kum juru ya ke workplace yoga ke pangilala penlong haki jaka puli but kum juru ki shnong kiladon ro ki seminar webinar but ro ke yoga demonstration ya ke pangilyo penlong ha International Day of Yoga atoi tare te ki benta ki bakongsan ki bangilayo pendap nang bahan di program ke long bagila penlong ki online but offline yoga break session but yoga samawesh Neiah hospital hakabagi doktor, ki staff, jangka Neiah ki lesson benta dan bagi ni ki common yoga protocol ke bang layo penlongman kesi. Kumjo ru la penlong ya ki yoga awareness haki caka Nongjngohkai ka kongsan caka jela Meghalaya kumha kamatilang park, Hongtong Whistling Village, Maupulang, Markham Valley. Kumjo ru menin layo penlong haka umyamli mentasi ka tim ki lailej caka light but kumta terder ya kini kita kalajik kenang bermusuh kita kena Nongjngohkai sebab Jingmyntoi jong yoga. Kumjo ru mina penlong ki awareness program ki jaka puli hasulong kum ka Central Hindi Institute, MIT University, William Carey University, PKBS School, St. Claret Holy Cross, BRO Research Center, Neiah, kumta terter bentuk chlor ya ki samla puli bagi nang semua tu sebab Jingdon kam jong yoga ka bentuk ki ka kakya. Nilai yo akan penlong ya ka video talk ya ka jingkran la ai dari dan charge ni Professor Dr. Vijay Kumar sir ya ka baila ai ka mat yoga for holistic health. Nalor kata nila yo akan penlong ki program ka shnong mau pedang menen ya ka ba la yo akan adopt dengan Neiah kum juru la shai ni yo akan ka kadatre nila yo akan penlong sa ka ding yo mat kum juru han bentan ko pe jong ka nong ba shnong ki turus place ki bangin sa yo akan pendap la shai. Ki program ki bakal pampat ki bangi ko ke institute ni la penlong ha institute ke long ko ki yoga club ya ka bangi la penlong ki jing ko ko prepare nang ta ki khna puli jong ka Neiah la sha ka sni ka ta kha khandai tarik ujun aja dia bidang ni run for yoga dor se dia kani ka long ka jing ko mare e ka bangi yo na ko nandep shadu shania ti ka jing ka pat ka jing ka long ba pi la ba ni shin bentalang ka sni ka bala sha ka bala pentet ka pi dai doktor gora kumjo ru kandan ka yoga webinar ka bangi la penlong haka aku terik si sajan haka ba kandan ka jing ekran dai speaker ibadan na bo Delhi ba kumjo ru dai director surgery haka ba kinang batay pensha chu shang jang jingdon kam jang yoga ka ban ki ka ba khya ka jami ba kasni ka ba kom santang ka long haka atoi terik kata ka International Day of Yoga ya ka pangandan ka jing yalang kumbashi hajamut Kiban manshu benta akan dikasih, ya kami nyok penlong Neiah Hospital, bahkan ka jingkran virtual na Honorable Prime Minister, kandan ka yoga demonstration, but kum jero ka jing sangkus na miki kena kita benta ini, jadi lek ka prepare.
We need to disseminate this information to as many people as possible. Choosing these iconic places helps us for sending that message across. We believe that the iconic places act as a platform to even further the message that yoga has. And then of course at the iconic places we engage with the local community of that, like what we say, the Raj or Dorbar of that area. We engage with them, we seek their cooperation, they take part along with us. But at the same time, we also get an opportunity to spread this message of yoga to our tourist friends who come from different states, who may not be knowing about it. So we find it a very suitable place to disseminate this information as far as the benefits of yoga is concerned. We have noticed that the tourists, they take part along with us, the local villagers, and from the institute we send a team of 4 to 5 demonstrators. They are the ones who are demonstrating along with one yoga instructor or teacher. He does the instruction. The participants are there. Our own students are participants, 4 and 5, and of course along with the local villagers and the tourists as well.
Yoga is a truly invaluable cultural heritage of India. It is complete science and philosophy of life. The practice of yoga develop social, mental, physical, emotional development of all individuals. Yoga transcends barrier of caste, class, gender and nationality. It conveys a message of well-being and harmony for all the humanity. This year themes Yoga for healthy aging, inspired to remain healthy, active, energetic at every stage of life. On the occasion of this International Day of Yoga, I humbly appeal to everyone make yoga integral part of their daily routine and contribute toward building a healthy, strong and prosperous family, society and nation. Thank you so much.
Mornings are always busy. Everything feels fast. I hear mom shouting and I'm trying not to be late. Outside, Shillong is already awake. Cars move slowly, horns are loud. It feels like everyone is in a hurry. Then the STEM's bus comes in, bright and yellow, always on time. The caretaker waves and I feel okay. Inside, we laugh and sing. We share snacks, we help each other with homework. It feels nice. My parents know I'm safe through the STEM's app on mom's phone. Because this bus isn't just a ride. It takes us to school with friends and a little bit of hope. This is STEM's, our ride, our future.